Okay, today we're going to do a video on the bilingual. It's the Chicco, is the brand Chicco Bilingual Talking Vacation Card. There's the front of it. This side has the off button along with a volume button where you can make the volume higher if need to. Then there's 3 different levels, 1, 2, and 3. 1 is the words level, 2 is the stories level, 3 is the quiz. There's several different buttons on here that you can push. There's the Spanish button and the English button, whatever language you would like to listen to the toy in. Then the back of it. Okay, let's turn it on.
Let's go. Word. Come on, let's go on our journey. Through the mountains and the sea. Lots of words for us to learn. Take an object. It's your turn. Ball.
The ball can spin, and then you can also push it, and then it tells you what each it's the radio.
Swimsuit. Hat. Mitten. Skis. Swim ring.
Okay, let's try 2.
Story. I've got many adventures to see. Look in the suitcase, what do you see?
Let's see, the
Complete the
suitcase.
story.
It's right
Listen to
here.
the sound and find the object. Let's start. Here we are at the seaside. The birds are singing and the sun is shining. Shall we go for a swim? Yes. Let's put on our swimsuit. Let's inflate and put on our swim ring and jump into the water. You can even play with the ball. Let's toss it in the air, up to the sky. Quiz.
Let's try level 3, the quiz level.
Where's that? What is this? What is that? You will find the answer, yes. Come on now, take a guess. It goes on your head and covers your ears. What is it? Hat. They slip onto your hands and come in pairs. What are they? Mittens. You must fasten them to your feet to glide upon the snow. What are they? Skis. It rolls and bounces. What is it? Ball. It's filled with air and floats in the water. What is it? Swim ring.
Let's try Spanish, a little bit of Spanish.
Run!